Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm with Terry, and even though we got the license plate in here, go ahead Terry, do your wiggle. So wiggle her one more time. So we just wanted to show you how much these walls are moving. And so when this is shaking like that, it's actually actuating and damaging, you know, the brackets and the hardware that are holding down here, and it's shearing off all the screws in the walls. And then of course it's causing the side to side walls to move as well. So anyways, stay tuned for more. We'll get some more information and pictures out there, but we keep beefing these up, keep putting in angle brackets, T's, flat brackets, resecuring them to the walls and whatnot, and rivets, trying to get them secure. So again, we don't know if it's, you know, from going like this in and out of driveways, going over hard bumps or what, but something's causing them to break loose, and it's been on a number of the units now. So check yours. Again, the little tattletale is there'll be damage to the rear of the metal. You know, it'll either bend out or tweak it, and that's been like that on both sides. You know, here's the opposite side. And then, you know, here's some of the extra supplies and stuff he's got down here, but you can see where it's just yanking those walls like crazy. So, all right. Well, stay tuned for more, and thanks so much for watching. We'll post you on more what we're doing to it. But like I said, basically we're going through and we're adding T's to the walls, brackets to hold. This is just for an area that was torn loose, additional screws through the wall into the floor itself, and then angles. And then again, you know, you can see how much that wall is moving. So we don't know if, you know, maybe if the wall got ever clipped by something or not, but something's causing it to loosen up like that.
The screws going through the back, this back wall,
yeah,
and this wall, they've been snapping.
Yeah.
So now not only re-securing this wall to the floor, we have to re-secure the back wall to the framing up under here, however we can do it.
Yep. So, all right. Well, stay tuned for more, and we will get you some more info. And I don't know how many we've done now.
Dozens.
Well, I was going to say probably between you and the other guys, probably like 30 or more.
Oh, yeah.
So, all right. Well, stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching.